HT86 A car voltage detector pen automobile fault maintenance circuit tester digital backlight car fuse diagnostic probe test pen. Models HT86A. Display LCD display. Range of voltage detection DC 0.8 100V. Power supply 1.5 VAA battery not included. On-off detection 2000 ohms less than 50 ohms. Buzzer prompt. Automatic shutdown yes. Under voltage indication yes. Buzzer prompt yes. Backlight yes. Flashlight yes. Features 1. Multifunction real-time detection, DC voltage detection, on-off testing, resistance test, data hold. 2. Compact body and easy to carry. 3. Voltage detection, the HT86A detect the DC voltage, the HT86B can detect DC AC voltage. 4. On-off testing, find break points, if the wire resistance is below 500 ohms, the buzzer will be prompt. 5. HD LCD backlight screen, high definition LCD display, suitable for measurement in various environments. 6. LED lighting function, provides lighting in dark environments. 7. Auto power off, the pen will shut down automatically if there is no operation after a few minutes. Measuring range. DC voltage detection, 2.000V 20.00V 100V, OL will be displayed if 110V. Resistance test, 2000 ohms 20.00 kΩ. 200.0 kΩ 2.000 mΩ 20.00 mΩ. The fuse or circuit can be tested under the following conditions. 1. Fog lights don't work. 2. The car horn doesn't work. 3. The headlights don't work. 4. The car won't start. 5. Car navigation does not work. 6. The air conditioner doesn't work. 7. The skylight does not open. 8. The air conditioner doesn't work. 9. Cigar lighter does not work. 10. Backup lamp does not work. 11. The stereo does not work. 12. Turn signal lamp does not work. Please check the description link to order this product. Also, check out our bio.